Okay. Okay. Testing the mic. I left for Europe for 1 week and I come back to all this PR. Brands are very angry with me because some of this is like sponsored stuff. This video is not sponsored, but some of the stuff in this video are things I should have filmed a while ago. So now we're gonna do it now. Before we get into the video, please remember to subscribe because I will be doing more of these. So let's start with the first one. I don't know who this is from. This has my brand name on it. Oh my God. These are samples for things we're working on. These are samples for something we're working on at Ali Majid Beauty, but I cannot tell you yet, but I'm so excited. I didn't expect them to come so soon. We have some of the best manufacturers in the world. We're so lucky to be working with them. Okay, I feel like let's get the small ones out of the way. So another one of these. No. I cannot believe that I get PR from La Mer. Just the fact that I'm on their PR list is insane. Introducing the new lifting firming mask. Ooh, I need that. I'm gonna be 30 next year. This is so cute. I wanna see what it looks like. La Mer packaging is always just so luxurious. I remember they sent me their like very famous moisturizing cream. Wasn't the biggest fan. The texture just wasn't right for me. But this, I will be using this. Oh, come on. This is insane. Thank you so much, La Mer. I will be using this. Oh, wait. This comes with a spatula. The La Mer one comes with a spatula with a brush. Small. This is from a PR agency. They have a bunch of different brands with them, so I never know what I'm getting. Oh, it's myself. It's the YSL Beauty fragrance. I like their fragrances. I've never tried this, but I like the Myself range. It's not my cup of tea per se. I like floral, softer, more like feminine fragrances. But this is a really cool, like if I'm wearing a suit, this is one of the fragrances that I will put on. So thank you so much. Okay, what else? I'll try this one. This one says it's from L'Oreal. I always get excited for L'Oreal packages because I never know what to expect. They have so many brands under them. So let's see. I think I'm not gonna look. This is Maybelline. Is it? No. Oh, it's a L'Oreal Paris Tinted Serum. This is cute. Ignore my cat crying in the background. So this is it. It's the Infallible 24-hour tinted serum. Okay, what's inside? Uh-oh. It all fell. Okay, wait, let's make it pretty. Okay, this is what it looks like. 24-hour glow that looks infallible on you. Okay, we'll try this. Thank you, L'Oreal. Okay, what else? What else? These are clothes. This is from Salt Murphy. I made an order on their website before I went to Berlin. They finally restocked on these pair of pants. I'll show it right here. It's so cute, but they were sold out. So I got the pants, shirt, and the jacket. I'm so excited to wear this. I'll do a try on my TikTok. Make sure you go and follow me there. I have an event coming up in a few days. It's supposed to be like a really dressy, fancy event. So this is perfect for that. Now the boxes. What is this? Okay, don't get me wrong. I really appreciate nice PR boxes, but sometimes it's so much to clean up after. Oh, what is this? Also from L'Oreal. Oh, it's their Elvive Glycolic Gloss. It's supposed to be a hair gloss. I don't know if these type of products work on my hair type. I have curly hair and it's coily and it frizzes really fast. I feel like glosses are more for like white people hair, like fine, super straight, silky, straight hair. All these pearls, man. So it comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and a combing cream. I think this is supposed to be like a leave-in. Yeah, it is a leave-in. It's supposed to detangle and control flyaways. I will try this, and I'll try this. Thank you, L'Oreal Paris. And thank you for the cleanup. I hate cleaning PR. It's fun to unbox, but the cleaning is not. The mess I've made is insane. Another box. This is from Estee Lauder. They've always been super kind to me. What is this? Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little medicine cabinet from Clinique. It has so much stuff. What is this? It's like a medicine cabinet. That's so cute. They even gave me little cotton rounds. This is so cute. So I got 2 moisturizers. I've never tried this before. They gave me a liquid facial soap and their clarifying lotion. So these really cute accessories for like washing your face. This is really cute for not getting any water down your hands when you're washing your face. These are really cute. Thank you so much, Clinique. And this box is so cute. This box is from Some By Me Middle East. Let's see what they sent. Again, super cute. Glow to go. Oh, they have a lip balm now. It's so cute the way it's shaped. Look at the cap. What is inside? They sent me this really cute thermos and their lip balm. I think this is supposed to be for their lip balm. This is like a hydrating SPF lip balm. Oh, and they have a sunscreen. Oh, wait. This is their sunscreen line. Okay. Their V10 Hyal Air Fit sunscreen. I'll try this. And let me try this lip balm. Look at that applicator. Oh, it comes off red. It feels really moisturizing. It feels thick. It has SPF 15. So yeah, it's really cute. Thank you so much. They also sent cookies. I don't think I can eat these anymore. Brands that send food in their PR, please don't do that because I feel bad when it goes to waste. Okay, this one is from Korea. I got a package from Korea. Oh, wow. This is from Dr. Althea. I've worked with Dr. Althea last year and I'm working with them again this year. It's so cute. They sent me this house. When I open it, what's inside? There's a cute little hat. It says Summer Blooming Club. That's so cute. There are 2 sunscreens. I've made a video about these. These are really good. They're going in the giveaway. This is so cute. They gave me stickers with like the alphabet. More stickers. Thank you so much, Dr. Althea. Wait, there's another compartment. I almost threw this away. They sent me a sheet mask book. I've gotten this before. Look at all of these sheet masks. This is insane. Thank you so much, Dr. Althea. I have so much cleaning to do. Another one, who's this from? iUnique, okay. I haven't gotten PR from them in a while. Sensitive skin, unique solutions, certified sensitive skin expert. I hate this type of wrapping paper. It's so annoying to unbox. A barrier cream, and I got barrier serum, another moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Let me see what this looks like. This is their newest sunscreen. I'm gonna try this out. Thank you so much, iUnique. Fun fact, iUnique was the very first skincare brand ever to send me PR. This is getting very messy. The idea of just me having to clean all of this, not cute. Who is this from? Is this also from Korea? It's also from Korea. Wow, look at me. Oh, these packing peanuts are so annoying to clean. Another package from Dr. Althea, where there's beauty in balance. I'm a Gemini. I don't know balance. Is everything like cemented to... Oh, wait. So it's one of these. Okay, sorry, my bad. More skincare goodies. This is their new cleansing balm. I've lost count of how many of these I've finished. One of my favorite cleansing balms. So thank you so much for the restock. I am definitely gonna use these. More sunscreens and a new aquamarine deep serum. More sheet masks. Their very famous 345 cream. And what's this? This is a new aquamarine watery cream. I'm gonna try this. And a retinol serum. Thank you so much, Dr. Althea. Again, the mess that is on this side of the room. I don't like cleaning at all. Okay, we're almost there. 2 boxes left. This is from Estee Lauder. What the hell is this? This is a huge ass box. Sephora. It comes with a... Okay, these boxes. It's Sephora x Estee Lauder and it says Lift Firm Sculpt Repair. Comes with a little key box, so I'm gonna unlock it. And then you open it. So it comes with a mirror. It's their new Advanced Night Repair Eye Lift and Sculpt. So it's a new eye product. I love eye products because I always look super tired because of my under eyes. We'll use this. Their very famous Advanced Night Repair Serum, a towel, and a really cute makeup bag. Stickers, and they sent this gua sha thing. It's supposed to be for like your under eyes. I think you use it with the new serum. So thank you, Estee Lauder. This is very nice, very cute packaging. They always send really cool PR. The final package is this beast right here. I am scared to open this because of the amount of cleaning that will follow. I think I know who this is from. It's like layer after layer. Okay, more layers. And what do you know? Another box. This is a workout. I just came back from the gym. I don't want another workout. Finally, we made it to the end. It's from Sephora. It says feel it and style it. So it is like this. Oh, it's hair stuff. This is really cool. You get a hair clip, the slicking brow thing, a hair styler. I'm gonna try this. You get an oil for hair density. K18, reparative volume spray. Okay, this is the new Dyson stuff. I've never tried it. It's a pre-styled cream. Straight to wavy light conditioning. Color Wow Dream Coat. This is supposed to be really popular if you like to blow dry your hair. Is this dry bar? High finishing serum. Oh, I was gonna buy this. I was literally gonna buy this Kerastase serum and now I have it. It's called Glaze Drops. A hair oil, okay. So there's this side also. Oh, I got Olaplex. Nothing wants to cooperate. So I got this hair mask from Gisu. It's supposed to be like a really cool conditioning treatment. Plus, look at the packaging. It looks like a honeycomb. I got Olaplex, a shampoo from Olaplex. I got this conditioner from Way. And finally, a leave-in milk for frizz and another shampoo. We're still not done. This huge box has another compartment. I'm sure it's hair stuff. Define and curl. Okay, now you're speaking my language. It's a repair mask from Amika. And this Be Curly Advanced Shampoo from Aveda. And what is this? It's Fenty! Curl Defining Cream. I don't think I've ever tried this. First of all, the smell. It smells amazing. I'm definitely trying this. So yeah, thank you for watching. That was my very messy unboxing. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notifications so you can see when I post new videos. A lot of this stuff I'm very grateful for, but a lot of it I can't use on my own. So I'm gonna give it away to you guys. I usually do giveaways on my TikTok, but I'm gonna start doing it here on my YouTube. So stay tuned so you can see what happens and when it happens. And that's it. I'll see you guys later and thank you for watching. Now I have to clean all of this. Is it on?